Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Jaffer, and in today's video we are going to use counter down our training. To do this, first of all, we are going to create a project. We give it a name, counter up and counter down. Okay, counter down. We are going to add a device as CPU. We'll choose CPU 1217. We add this CPU in our project. And now we go to program blocks. We add a new block. We choose a function. We call it counters. All right. We go back to OB1. We call our counters function into OB1, and then go to function blocks. This is our function block for our counter up, counter down, count down. So count down, give it a name. We go to PLC tag, create a new tag table, we give it a name, count down. We open our tag table. We separate this screen. Let's make it a little easier. Like this much, it should be okay. So how many tags do I need? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Pulse counter down, LD counter down, Q counter down, and then CT counter down. All right. We choose memory. We start from L20. The CV have to be integer. Integer is one word, so 21. We go for 21, and otherwise it gives some problem. All right, okay. And now this is our pulse, our load, Q, we try for up to 3. All right, don't need this one anymore. Okay. We download our logic into simulator. We go online. All right, so we count down from 3. So first of all, we load 3. We load 3 into counter, and then now 2. Every pulse is a number. 1, and then now the output, the Q, when it's up to 0, turns true, down. We can also use here some, let me check, is the clock memory activated? Not yet, but we can go to device configuration. First of all, go offline, and then device, activate system and clock memory. It's okay, it should be okay. Go back to our function. We go to PLC tags and default tags, and we have our clock memories here. So we choose one of them. I will choose this one, drag and drop. Okay, and now download. Now it's blinking. For example, if we put here 20, okay, you see all right, we have 20. We load 20 into our counters. So we activate load, deactivate, and now we are going to count 19, 18, 17, 16. You see, counter down is working. Let's wait until it has 3, 2, 1, done. Yes. Okay.
That's it for today's training video. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to PLC Automation. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming PLC lessons. Have a great day. I see you the next training video.